Hello everyone, I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimmy's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make prawn coconut curry. If you are looking for quick midweek meal, then you can't go wrong with speedy prawn coconut curry. This is easy recipe is all about minimum effort and maximum flavor. Frankly, you don't need to be a fancy cook. It's that easy, but few things to keep in mind are: make sure prawn is fresh. Fresh prawns will obviously yield to a better curry. One other thing, don't cook too much after the first boil because neither your prawn nor your coconut milk will appreciate it. This dish is my family's favorite dish. This recipe is inspired by dinner time and it's an absolute Kerala classic. It serves for 2 people, so let's have a look. First, clean the prawns and pat dry. Place prawn in a bowl. Sprinkle only salt, turmeric and paprika. Mix well and keep aside. Marinate the prawns for an hour. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan. Once hot, add the prawns and cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Turn the prawns over and cook for a further 2 minutes. Heat the oil and ghee in a different pan. Once hot, add the cinnamon stick, cloves, peppercorns, bay leaf and roasted cumin seeds. When these whole spices begin to splatter, add the diced onions and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the grated ginger and the grated garlic. Cook for a further 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes golden brown. Take a small bowl, add salt, paprika, garam masala, sugar and 2 tablespoons of water into a bowl and together make a paste. Add this paste to the pan along with the green chilies and mix well. Now add the coconut milk and half a cup of water. Bring it to boil and then immediately reduce the heat and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until it is thick enough. Then check for the salt and adjust accordingly. Now it's time to add the prawns. Allow to simmer for a further 2 minutes and turn off the heat. Garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves and some finely chopped green chilies. Creamy, spicy, coconutty curry is now ready to serve with paratha or rice. I hope you guys like my recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.